皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Pentagon, senior Al-Qaeda leader killed in U.S. drone strike in Syria. October 23, 2021, 1:25 a.m. Update October 23, 2021, 9:54 a.m. VOA News. File this handout photo courtesy of the U.S. Air Force, obtained on November 7, 2020, shows an MQ-9 Reaper drone. A U.S. military drone strike in Syria Friday killed a high-level Al-Qaeda leader, according to the U.S. Central Command. Command spokesman U.S. Army Major John Rigsby said in a statement the killing of Abdul Hamid al-Matar will disrupt the terrorist organization's ability to further plot and carry out global attacks threatening U.S. citizens, our partners, and innocent civilians. The strike occurred 2 days after a U.S. base in southern Syria was attacked, causing no U.S. deaths or casualties. Rigsby did not say if Friday's U.S. strike was retaliatory. A U.S. airstrike in September killed another senior Al-Qaeda leader near Idlib in northwestern Syria. The U.S. Central Command said then that Salim Abu Ahmad was in charge of planning, funding, and approving trans-regional Al-Qaeda attacks. As of late September, Syria's 10-year civil war involving foreign troops, militias, and jihadists had killed at least 350,000 civilians, according to the United Nations Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights. Some information for this report came from agents France Presse, the Associated Press and Reuters.
以上で今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきましてありがとうございました。よろしければ高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。